Hey everybody! Today I'm going to show you how to set up ExpressVPN on your PS5 so you can put a VPN on your PlayStation 5. Before we start, you can grab NordVPN at a great price using the link below this video. It is my top pick for PlayStation users and I will explain why later in the video. Let's get started. Since the PS5 does not support VPN apps natively, you cannot install ExpressVPN or any other VPN directly on the console. Instead, you will use ExpressVPN's Media Streamer feature. Media Streamer is not a full VPN, so it will not encrypt your traffic, but it does help you access more streaming content on your PS5. It is simple to set up and works well for streaming. To begin, make sure you have the streaming apps you want on your PS5 and an active ExpressVPN subscription. Now go to the ExpressVPN website on your phone or computer. Look for the DNS settings page. If you are asked to sign in, go ahead and do that. Next, you need to register your IP address with ExpressVPN so Media Streamer can work. ExpressVPN will send you a verification code to your email. Enter that code to continue. On the DNS settings page, find the section called IP address registration and click Register my IP address. If it shows that you are already registered, you can skip this step. Turn on the automatic IP registration toggle. This is helpful because your IP address can change, and automatic registration keeps Media Streamer working without needing to repeat this step. Now go to the setup page and find the DNS server IP address that is meant for PlayStation. Write it down or keep it open on your screen. Turn on your PS5 and open the settings by selecting the gear icon in the top right. Go to Network, then choose Set up Internet Connection. Select the network you normally use. Now go to Advanced Settings. Here is what you need to change. Set the IP address to automatic. Set DHCP to don't specify. Set DNS settings to manual. Enter the Media Streamer IP address as the primary DNS. Leave the secondary DNS empty. Set the proxy server to don't use. Set MTU to automatic. Press OK. When the connection screen shows up again, your setup is complete. Here are a few quick tips. Pick a DNS server location close to where you live. This can help improve your streaming speeds. If a streaming app is not loading, double-check you typed the DNS address correctly. If your connection feels slow, try a DNS location that is even closer to you. If nothing is working, go back to your ExpressVPN account and make sure your subscription is active. Now, even though we are using ExpressVPN in this tutorial, many PS5 users prefer NordVPN for gaming and streaming, because it offers more features overall. NordVPN has more than 7,000 servers in over 118 countries, which means more stable speeds and less lag. Its NordLynx protocol reaches very high speeds, making it great for streaming and gaming. It supports more devices, it has strong security, and it often costs less than many competitors. That is why many people consider NordVPN one of the best VPNs on the market today. By the way, if you want to try NordVPN at a discounted price, I've included a link in the description that takes you directly to this limited time offer. It also comes with a 30-day, no questions asked money-back guarantee, so there's zero risk in trying it out. And if you're watching this on your TV, you can scan this QR code with your phone's camera to check out NordVPN.